Hi, my name is Mario from smartincomebuilders.com, and in today's video we want to talk about how you can actually earn money from Pinterest. Let's dive right into it. So step number one, sign up for an affiliate network. You have different affiliate networks out there, for example, ClickBank, MaxBounty, ShareASale, or even Digistore. These networks offer various products and services where you can sign up as an affiliate in order to promote these offers for the creators. If you score a sale or a certain action, you will get rewarded with a certain type of commission for your effort. So number two, once you have signed up for one of those networks, check out the different categories out there. There are for sure categories for everything. You have sports category, digital marketing, or even healthcare. Pick a niche where you think you can really perform good. Maybe you already have an existing email list where you can drive traffic to your actual offer, but be sure to select the offer where you think you can really drive the most traffic to the actual offer. Number three, sign up for a Pinterest account. If you haven't already signed up for a free Pinterest account, do it now. Be sure to sign up for a business account. A business account has various features. Amongst the free version, for example, you get in-depth analytics and even more free perks. Step number four, create the actual pin. It is possible to create pins for anything on Pinterest. But if we want to follow this strategy, be sure to make a very creative pin which looks very bright and very appealing to the user, which is correlated to the offer you are going to promote on the affiliate network. So for example, if you want to use an healthcare product, why don't you create a pin where it's all about healthcare? Be sure to include some text in your pin as well as the URL you want to promote. Step number five. After you have successfully created your pin, be sure to create a very good text and research some keywords in order for your pin to actually get found. Every second there are posted tons and tons of Pinterest pins on the platform. You really have to stand out, okay? Type in some keywords and you will have this Pinterest auto suggestion which will show you related or correlated keywords. Be sure to research them, research their search volume and also their trends. This will be your best friend when researching new stuff on Pinterest. After you are done with your keyword research, be sure to include them in your description. So when making a pin, you have different options. You can make first one, standard pin. This is just a normal image or video which is going to be posted on Pinterest and just looks like every other pin on Pinterest. The other option is a dedicated video pin. In this pin, it's all about video and floating text, so you can use animated images like GIFs or even long-term video. Third one, which is still in beta, are the so-called story pins. This is really cool because you can chain up different pins. They can be a video or standard pins, and then they look like an Instagram story and they get really good engagement, trust me. So in order to get your traffic to your website or to your offer, you have two different options. The first option is use a direct link to the offer. Therefore, you can use an URL shortener or put the affiliate link in your description, and then the customer will directly be brought to the affiliate page and hopefully score a commission. Number two is a so-called bridge page. A bridge page is a page where you are sending traffic to in order to capture someone's information or email. Basically, it's just to warm up the traffic before you redirect them to the actual affiliate page. When comparing direct linking to bridge pages, bridge page traffic will convert 2 to 3 times more than direct linking traffic. be sure to check it out. Number 6, in order to get even more traffic and more views on your pins, be sure to pin your pin also to related keyword boards. For example, you can search for a certain keyword on Pinterest and maybe it will pop up different boards. Some boards will be collaborative where you can just pin your pin to it. Be sure to make use of them because these boards already have very high amounts of views, so you can definitely benefit of posting to them. Final step, pin your pin even more. Pinterest isn't already done if you just do 1 or 2 posts per day. It's usually a good idea to do 5 to 7 postings per day or pins per day. So it can be quite a very overwhelming and complicated process for doing all this stuff every day, but there are tools for this. You can, for example, use Tailwind, which is a tool where you can schedule your pins and be sure to make use of them. So this was our main strategy in how to earn money on Pinterest with our 7 steps. I hope you liked the video. We have done an in-depth article about this topic on our site www.smartincomebuilders.com. I've put a link down in the description box. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit the comments below and see you in the next video. Bye.